MSTI T350 Smart Lock Setup Tutorial. First time use. Wake up the screen and tap the star wheel key to enter the system. Enter the initial password 123456 twice and press the key to confirm. Added successfully. There are 4 options. 1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. System settings. 4. Record language volume. 1. Add users. Press 1 to add a user. Press 1 again to add a management user. Press your finger on the fingerprint recognition area 6 times. Added successfully. Scan the card by bringing it close to the recognition area. Added successfully. Enter a 6-digit numeric password and press the wheel key to confirm. Enter the set password again for confirmation. Added successfully. Press the star key to return after completion. Press 2 to add a regular user. The addition method is the same as for adding a management user. Press the star key continuously to return after completion. 2. Delete the user. Press 2 to delete a user. There are 2 options. 1. Verify delete user. 2. Delete user by ID. Press the star key to return after deletion. 3. System settings. Press 3 to enter the system settings. There are 4 options. 1. Time setting. 2. Installation settings. 3. Feature settings. 4. Factory reset. Press 1 time to set. Enter the year, month, day, minute, and second, and press well. Press the star key to go back when you're done. Press 2 to install the settings. There are 4 options. 1. Door opening directions. 2. Delayed locking. 3. Door lock settings. 4. Sensing settings. Press the 3 door lock settings. There are 3 options. 1. Anti-pry alarm. 2. Talk setting. 3. Lock back time. Press the star key to go back when you're done. Press the forecourt sensor setting. There are 2 options. 1. Human body sensing. 2. Sensing distance. Press the star key to go back when you're done. Press 3 function settings. There are 4 options. 1. Networking settings. 2. Retirement settings. 3. Linger snaps. 4. Two-factor authentication settings. Press 1 network setting. At this time, the smart lock enters the network waiting. At this point, we search in the mobile app store and download the MSTI Smart app. After the download is completed, we open the app. Then use the mobile number, complete the registration and log in. Let's click to enter the app. Permission management that pops up on the interface. Let's click on Add Device. We select the corresponding lock and click on it. Check the box and click Next. Follow the prompts to select the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Click Next. At this point, the phone will automatically generate a QR code. Point the generated QR code at the smart lock camera and keep a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters. When you hear the sound of a tick, you can connect to the network. Press the star key to go back when you're done. Press 3 linger to snap. There are 2 options. 1. Linger snap open. 2. Stay snap off. Press the star key to go back when you're done. Set it up with 4-factor authentication. There are 2 options. 1. Turn off 2-factor authentication. 2. Turn on 2-factor authentication. Press the star key to go back when you're done. Press 4 for factory reset. Press the pound sign to confirm. Press the asterisk to return. Press the star when you're done. To return to the main menu, press 4 to record the language volume. There are 4 options. 1. Query the number of users. 2. Read the record. 3. Language settings. 4. Volume settings. Query the number of users by 1. Press the star key to go back when you're done. Press 2 to read the record. There are 2 options. 1. Query sequentially. 2. Search by time. Press the star key to go back when you're done. Set up in 3 languages. There are 2 options. 1. Chinese. 2. English. Press the star key to go back when you're done. Press the code volume setting. There are 2 options. 1. Volume up. 2. Volume down. When you're done, press the star key continuously to return.